Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. One of the most common questions I get asked all the time is, Jess, how much do Facebook ads cost? The truth is, the cost of running Facebook ads varies depending on what you want to do. The cheapest ads to run on Facebook are ones that keep people on Facebook, which means if you're asking Facebook to get more likes, comment and shares, which means you're using the engagement objective, or perhaps you want people to simply watch a video, which means that you're using the videos views objectives. These two types of ads are the cheapest ones to run because you're keeping people on Facebook. If you want people to go to your website, you're generally paying between $1 and $3 at this point of time, it's 2020, to pay for someone to click on an ad and go to a website. If you want people to submit their contact details with you, well, the prices can vary depending on the industry, and the cost on how much that costs you really depends on how much it's worth to you. For real estate, for example, they may pay $50 to get someone's address, name, and email. And that price is a very good price for a real estate agent, because if they can convert that property into sold, then that is a fantastic return on investment. So if you're asking for this kind of information with your Facebook ads, the cost that you should be paying really depends on you and how often you can convert the leads that you generate and what's that worth to you. So next time you're considering Facebook ads and how much to spend, think about the types of ads. Do you want to spend a little? I'd recommend views or engagement. Do you want to spend a lot? I'd recommend traffic or the more complicated types of ads. Until next week, everybody.